How to fix or reset check engine light in 2 easy steps. First step to reset check engine light without tapping into effort requiring techniques is restarting the car 3 times. Put the key in the ignition, turn it on and then off. The very next second, repeat the process. Repeat once more to complete 3 times in a row. Put the key again the 4th time and start the car. Drive for a while to see if the light turns off or not. This method proves effective in most cases. Second step to fix or reset check engine light is by disconnecting the battery. This method is also referred to as ECM hard test technique. Follow the given steps only if you know how to easily disconnect and reconnect the battery. Otherwise, it is best to seek professional help. 1. Open the hood of the car and locate the battery. 2. Remove both the positive and negative cables from the battery terminals. 3. Press the horn for 30 seconds or switch on the car's lights if you wish to avoid the noise. 4. This will drain all the electricity from the car's capacitor. You can do both to drain it faster. 5. Wait for 15 minutes maximum. 6. Reconnect the cables back to their terminals. This method removes all error codes and resets other electronic devices. If the check engine light is still on, it's best to seek professional help. If you like this video, share the love and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Why not leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.